In a world where everyone is occupied with filters and effects, what if you could turn your pictures into building blocks? Shocking, right? Presenting Pecxel, a platform to get building blocks portraying the picture of your choice in the size you want, which you can piece together with your partner, family, or friends. Here's how it works. Order your kit on our website. You can pick from a variety of sizes depending on how big you want your Pecxel to be. Once you've received the kit, search for the code present on the box. Upload the code along with your picture to see how it would look once it's built. As soon as you are done with your picture, you can generate your unique instructions manual. Print it out and start building your Pecxel with your friends and family and have fun all together. Instead of uploading your picture, you can also choose a pre-made design from our gallery and receive the instructions along with the kit. Besides, you can also give it as a gift by uploading their picture. What can be better than a personalized gift? For more details, visit our website now.